Hi, this is Mark Montross from Catamount Realty Group. Today we're here at 24 Marsh Lane in Colchester, here to view this fantastic home. Let's go ahead and take a look around first at the outside, and then we'll head to the inside. As you can see here, we have a very spacious front yard, nice front deck. We're just going to take a look around here. As you can see, kind of a peaceful setting here. You've got a parking space for 2 vehicles. And let's go ahead and we'll go around to the back side of the property. As you can see here too, we've got this really nice deck on the back, great for 3-season activities. Lots of space here. You're also very close to getting to Mallett's Bay as well. As you can see there, you got a fire pit over on the side. Very close to the bike path as well, so if you want to go to the Causeway, it's literally down the road. We'll take you up to the South Hero or down to Burlington if you like. And back to the front. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the inside of the home. And there you go. When you first come in, you can see you have this really nice open kitchen area. Definitely copious amount of cabinet space through here. Got this really nice center island, plenty of storage. Eating kitchen off to the side here for the dining area. And of course, you've got plenty of cabinet space here as well. Off to the left, you've got a full bathroom. Take a look here. Of course, the toilet is just behind the door. And this is going to give you another overview of the space here. Again, really nice. Love the accent lighting, definitely all the recessed lighting. Gives it plenty of just nice feeling, coziness to the house. As you can see here, you get a really spacious living room area, wood burning fireplace. Just going to show you around a little more. And over here, got a great space here for an office, den, sunroom. You can see here, overlooks the back deck area. Got some closet storage space. And over here you have one of the bedrooms. And then you got your closet space off to the side. And over here is the second bedroom. And again, a lot of space through here. As you can see there too, it's got a pretty big closet space. Store all the items. And then, let's take a look over here. An extra bonus room. This is great. Again, how cozy it is to sit here, look outside, enjoy all the views and the scenery, knowing that you're that close to the lake. Always a great feature. And again, there's the deck. Let's give you another overview. Okay. So this is 24 Marsh Lane in Colchester. Any questions, give me a call. You can reach me here at 802-825-1353, or you can go on our website at catamountrealtygroup.com. There you'll find information with a 3D Matterport tour. We have a drone video on there and plenty of information. Look forward to hearing from you.